Hey everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can stop people or friends from adding you in groups chat on Instagram. So for that, just open your Instagram app on your mobile phone and go to your profile. Now in your profile at the top right side, click on three lines. Now scroll down and here you will see an option called messages and story replies. Click on this. Now here you can see the option called message request. Click on this message request. When you click on this, here you can see who can add you to group chats. Click on this. Now here you have two options. Who can add you to group chats? Everyone on Instagram. The second one is only people you follow on Instagram. So if you want the only people that you follow on Instagram can add you, but no from public can add you in Instagram group chats, you will select this one. Second one, only people you follow on Instagram. Now the random people from Instagram will not be able to add you in groups chat.